Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete orders from the Bolt Food app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bolt Food app, and here you can see I already put some items in my basket. Tap on view basket, and let's say I'm not going to eat this meat with potatoes. If you tap on it and swipe it to the left, here you can edit the order if you would like to with that pencil item, or you can delete it with this red trash bag item. And if you tap on it, it deleted from your order. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.